We're making some great progress with our backyard hangout space, and now it's time to build our folding Murphy bar. So come on back, I'm gonna show you what all we've done so far and where the Murphy bar is gonna go. So we've got our paver stones all laid out, we finished our mural, so now we've got the perfect wall to hang our Murphy bar on. So we're gonna put it right about here. It's gonna fold down, it's got 2 legs, we'll put out a couple stools. There's some nice shelving inside so we can keep everything we need out here for a great party with friends or just a night relaxing. Our Murphy bar project is all finished and ready to go. All you need to do to take it down is just flip these little levers and then carefully pull it. And there you go, a perfect backyard bar ready for any friends or just a little hangout yourself. And after a project like that, I'm absolutely parched. So if you do make one of these, make sure you tag us in it. We want to see exactly how it turns out.